Quick reading for May the 21st to May the 22nd. Cancer. Your cards are the Four of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. So, matagal nang meron kayong hindi pagkikita, hindi pag-uusap, no, nitong taong ito. Parang hinayaan nyo lang yung part na, sige, ayoko munang i-push, no? Baka mas lalong magkaroon ng galit, away, hinayaan na lang, we surrendered. Ito yung parang nag-heal or parang humupa na yung heightened energy na either one of you, and I feel like this is your person kasi this is you na nag-harvest of either communication, yung sweetness, babalik, all of a sudden, na parang sandali, anong nangyayari at hindi ka na ba galit? So parang nakalimutan na, no, ni person. With the Nine of Pentacles, this is more of you, bumabalik yung saya. Kasi for some reason, syempre, na-miss din natin itong taong ito kahit papano. So yeah, this is your quick reading, Cancer, for May the 21st to the 22nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.